Swanee, we've been working together for a long time, and most of the time you do those beautiful, authentic Italian pasta sauces. Today, you're flipping it on its head and doing a Chinese-style pasta.
Yeah, well, pasta's very versatile, Just, all right? So we're using the vermicelli egg noodles, and we're going to make a Chinese bolognese.
Yum, I love the sound of that.
Good. Yeah. So we need to get our pasta into the water. Now, just a pinch of salt, like always. Around 6 minutes, 6 to 8 minutes for our pasta to cook. Now, with the egg noodles, here's my tip. Grab back of the spoon, the handle. Yeah. Just give it a soft little stir.
Oh, nice.
Okay? We don't want to use tongs. We're going to break up all the egg pasta, all right? And you end up with just little shreds everywhere.
Right, yeah.
By doing this, they're just going to softly unravel themselves and cook perfect.
I like that. I'll do that.
I need you, get you onto making the sauce for me, please.
Okay.
So we've got some different variations of a chili bean sauce there and another sweet chili bean sauce too, okay? And dark soy. Now, garlic is a must, okay? Chinese cookery, Italian cookery, we all use garlic, yeah?
Absolutely. And, you know, going into the cooler months, I seem to go overboard when it comes to garlic and ginger in a lot of my dishes. Why not? Sort of keeps the flu and the cold away.
That's a good idea. And also keeps the vampires, as they say, with the garlic.
Oh, let's not forget that.
So just chop up that garlic and our ginger. I'm going to get our wok on, Just, so, you know, they normally see the wok in the kitchen for me, hey?
Yeah, and I know. Are you sure you know how to use a wok?
I was waiting for it. I'll give it a go. You know, it's the first time for everything.
And you do need your wok to be super hot when you're doing any type of stir fry.
Yeah,
you know what? It's all about flash frying.
You're exactly right. I remember just when I was an apprentice, I had a senior chef, and his name was Peter Chan, and he taught me about wokking. Exactly what you said. It's all about movement, constantly keeping things moving in the pan, and obviously having a hot wok really helps. So don't forget our pasta. Again, a little stir to unravel the nest. Come on, nest, away you go. In with some veg oil.
He talks to his pasta a lot.
Pasta whisperer, eh?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, done. In with, ooh, that's hot.
Hot.
Our garlic. And our ginger. Beautiful. Now, while that's cooking away, I'm going to get on to chopping up some spring onions. Really fast, yeah. Look, no eyes looking at you. Look at them, their fancy pants.
He's a shower.
No, it's just all the years in the kitchen. I'm sure you can do it too. You want to give it a crack or what?
No, I'll do it later. I'll do it later.
So I'll get you to cut the tops. We're not going to waste anything because those tops there are great for a garnish right at the end.
Finely chopped?
Yes, please. Thank you very much. So, getting in your little wokking tool. See me? See what I did? I picked it up. I'm used to doing the pasta action. Yep. A wok should never be taken off the heat, yeah? See, that way you can keep that really hot heat in there.
Ah, that's a good tip.
I am going to add a little bit more veggie oil. Don't forget about my pasta. How are you in there, Ness? You good? You're very good? You're wonderful.
Now you're taking it too far.
All right, all right. So they've still got another 4 or 5 minutes. Now we're using mince today, Just. So I'm just going to break that down like so. Little pieces, get that into the pan. Beautiful. Now, using your little wok device here, just breaking that up. So, what I'll get you to do as well, Just, we're going to have a couple of different garnishes for our dish today, okay? So we've got some cucumber, so I'll get you to chop that up into julienne.
Okay, I'm going to try something different today.
Aha, here we go. I like when you change it up on me.
Well, you're changing your pastas, so I think I should change the way we cut things. We're going to do ribbons and then finely slice into julienne.
Ooh,
just
very
extra
nice. I like how you say the julienne better than me. It must be your little French little twist on there. Nice, Jazz.
This is just a nice little technique, an at-home technique for everybody.
I like this. And
then we'll cut it into nice, fine pieces.
I'm intrigued here, Jazz. I'm watching you here. I'm learning something new. That's what I like about cooking.
Oh, look. All done. Is that what you wanted for your garnish?
Exactly what I wanted.
There you go.
Hey? Now, I'm going to take your sauce. So our mince there, Just, is cooked all the way through.
Yeah.
I'm going to pour in our sauce.
And we did add a little chicken stock to that. I've also got some extra chicken stock if you do need it.
Yep. If that reduces down too far, then definitely we'll add some more into there. Nice. Ooh.
Ooh, looks good.
Looks good. So we need that sauce to reduce by half, all right? Then we're going to take the pasta, put it into our bowls, serve the bolognese on top, and finish with our garnishes.
Sounds good. Smells good.
Doesn't it? Our pasta's ready, Just. So straight out of the water, just strain off that liquid.
Oh, right. Not mixing it through like the typical way you do.
We're doing that whole Asian cuisine, yeah. So we're serving it as our noodle base, yeah.
Great, yeah. Love this. There's a restaurant in Sydney that does a Chinese-style bolognese. And at the beginning, I was a bit hesitant to try it because it's not, you know, the authentic way of doing it. But it is fantastic, and this really does remind me of it. So, yeah,
We better tell them to use pasta next time,
exactly.
Okay, so then just our bolognese over the top.
It smells so good.
But how quick has this been whipped up, you know? What, 10 minutes, we got our dish ready to go, dinner. Now, to garnish, a little spring onion, some of your wonderful julienne.
Oh, you like it.
Some prawn crackers.
This is great.
Yeah. So, you know, one more.
On top.
Yeah, just on top. And a little coriander as well. Thank you.
A few sprigs. There you go. And, I mean, we couldn't be a Chinese bolognese without chopsticks.
Oh no, Just. This is my weakness, chopsticks.
Oh, this is going to be funny to watch. I love mixing this together.
All right, I'll try.
You know, I'll give you a little insight, little secret. I'm terrible at chopsticks too.
What? I can't. Or you do this, grab the prawn cracker, Just.
Look, whatever way you eat this Chinese bolognese is a ripper of a dish. I love it.
Thanks.